Qonto's IBAN situation can be a little confusing, but we're going to clear it up. The short answer is, Qonto provides both local and international IBANs, depending on where your business is registered. Let's break down what that means for your business. Qonto is a European financial institution, and it's designed to make business banking easier across the continent. So, when you open an account, what IBAN do you get? If your business is registered in a country where Qonto has a local presence and offers specific IBANs, like France, FR, Germany, DE, Spain, ES, or Italy, IT, you will be assigned a local IBAN for your main account. This is a huge benefit, as it helps avoid IBAN discrimination, which is a fancy way of saying some companies are a bit grumpy about accepting non-local IBANs for things like direct debits. Having a local IBAN in those countries makes domestic transactions much smoother. Now, what about the international side? Every Qonto account, regardless of its country code, uses an international bank account number, IBAN. That's the standard for transfers across Europe and many parts of the world. Furthermore, Qonto's accounts are fully set up for international transfers. They use the SEPA network for fast, free, euro-denominated transfers across the Eurozone and other SEPA countries. And for payments outside of SEPA, in different currencies, Qonto has an integrated system to handle those international transfers quickly and cost-effectively, typically using the SWIFT network or local payment rails in other countries. So, in summary, you get an international standard IBAN that is locally branded, like a DE or FR IBAN, if you are in a core country. And the service is built to handle all your international transfer needs. It's the best of both worlds, local convenience with global capability.